Every day, the city witnesses thousands of people coming to eke out a living here, to register their dream somewhere in the footnotes of this city. Here is a small initiative to fulfill a few such dreams.
I see this mess boys working at XIM with serving our students, interacting with our students. So once I got motivated to find out about their studies, education, because they're working in one of the most working with most highly educated boys. So I thought, let me find out what do they do with their own personal studies. And we did a small survey and we saw that about 90% of them have actually stopped studies below around class 5 or class 3, or some of them not even went to school. So I spoke to our students and wanted to find out whether we can actually teach them. And that resulted in Mess Boys Education Project.
It's all started towards the end of the month of July probably, when we in Ramana sir felt that we have done a lot for the society around, but not within the campus itself when it comes to the mess workers. We started off getting a list of people who are working in the mess with regards to their education level, and to our surprise, most of them, out of 55 odd workers, around 80% of them were not even educated till class 2.
The Mess Miners Education Initiative conducted by SRC is really a wonderful project. I've been associated with the project for the past 1 month, and the energy level and the enthusiasm displayed by the miners is absolutely infectious, and that's the reason maybe I keep coming back each and every day to participate in teaching them.
Normally, when we start teaching a child, their development of brain is not that well developed as these people are. So teaching them and removing the language barrier is a tough task for us. So we have to think in a ways where we can bring on some live examples, we can develop some examples to teach them in a way they will feel comfortable with, because they have their own thinking progress, and to totally divert their thinking process is a tough task for us.
Which allows you to import raw data.
English लिखिपरिया, ओडिया लिखिपरिया, तेलुगु लिखिपरिया, सब लिखिपरिया। अब तब सेतरे जेते दिन चाहिए सेतिन सेते रखिपरिया। और जेबे चाहिए ताकू बाहर करिपरिया। बुझिपारलो? Very good. Tulu, what are the parts of computer? Monitor, keyboard, mouse,
CPU,
UPS. Very good.
तुम जीवन में कौन करिया चाह आगे
मो जीवन में मो चाहिए पुलिस सारी करी
मेरे छुआ तुम कौन करिया भल लगे खेला खेली
मत हाँ स्पोर्ट्स मत भल लगे दौड़िबा वो लॉन्ग जंप हाई जंप तो मोर सेटा भल
पूरा चले मोटर गाड़ी हाथी खेले दौड़ी बाघ भाईना बजाय बच्चा हाथी गाउची गीत गाउची छेड़े
कौन पढ़ुछ एठी
ओडिया बही आगे पढ़ुची सबुला बना मत बही पढ़ी ओडिया पढ़ी चाहूँ आगू सिंगर हाँ चाहूँ ओडिया किसी पढ़ा चाहूँ
एठी तुमको गीत गाया केमती कौन करा केमती पढ़ा तुमको कौन
गीत गाया मत सब ओडिया पढ़ाऊँ ओडिया पढ़ी सारे गीत बसबी गीत गाइबी आ गीत मोबाइल फिल्म कर रखुची आ गीत शुणुची एमती बोलुची गोटे गोटे जगह.
In our classrooms, we get to interact with mess workers of various age groups and various backgrounds and with various learning abilities. So the primary challenge that we face is to understand their learning patterns and then adapt to it.
मैं एठी आसी तुम कौन पाठ पढ़ी तुम ए पाठ पढ़ाऊ तुमको केमी लाभ दब तुमको केमी लाभ तुम पाई
हमें से पढ़नु पढ़े हिसाब पढ़ले हिसाब मसला मसली जहाँ लिखाई आम पढ़ी पार हिसाब कर.
It's not just an initiative to teach these boys, but this is an initiative to give an identity to these boys. In fact, most of us, let's say professors or students or even staff, we have multiple identity cards, but most of these mess boys don't have even single identity cards. So what we thought that this education may provide a formal ID cards in the form of their matriculation certification. So one is to provide that certification through this education, but at the same time, as I said, this project is providing an opportunity for two different classes of society. A platform where students who are coming from economically well-off, people with high education background, are interacting with these mess boys who are from rural areas without good economic background. So therefore, I see this initiative as an initiative to bridge the gap between two classes of society.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
It's been now 3 months that we are continuing our classes. So right now we have thought of that we register around 6 students who are able to cope up with their studies. We are registering them tomorrow through NIS education program. So I think the rest of the students will get motivated by the students who are getting registered and they will help them in their future career.
पढ़िया भल लगुच
पढ़ले 2 घंटा ना 5 टा फ्री
अच्छा
काम मोड़ देला तो टेंशन होची पढ़ा मोड़ देला भी टाइम करना पड़ती टाइम देला
अच्छा ठीक है
ये जो बर्तन में हमने 10 टा ड्यूटी खाई पीला 15 टा इटा आस पहुंच गए ये 12:30 बर्तन पे हम तथ्य भी जाना पड़े सिक्वल पर सुरे तो बड़ा को सुरे तो बड़ा बड़ा बात को निभा पर बड़ा
Very good.
क्या कुछ बने ना अरे बड़ा बात तो बड़ा बात भाई वो निभा पड़ा बड़ा बात
एही पढ़ी की कोन जानि परछ निजे भितर कोन
मोडी आसी कि प्रथम सार माने आलोचना कले कि हमर एठी पढ़े पई सुविधा अछि हम सब नाले रजिस्टर कल तापर हमर जे माइन सर से हम कहले कि सबले हम रूम के जाके डाके कि डाके कि आस हम सेडू मैं आसी जे हम कष्ट करछु हम भी किछि कष्ट करे ताको ना पढ़ी ताको ना किछि उच्चारण करे सेही हम पढ़ी हम पढ़ के फास्ट पढ़लु त हमको भल लागे हम द्वितीय से जुआ इच्छा है
अब कौन करे भल लागे तुमको
मते चित्र करे भल लागे
अब आगु को कौन करे चाह जीवन में
मु आए पढ़ी की सार को दया किसी पढ़ी की तुम कुछ डेवलप करे पे जे पुलिस है तो पुलिस की उचित न्याय दे करियो मन ये मोर आशा.
So besides teaching, providing education to these boys, I see this initiative which may give an identity. I see this initiative more as an opportunity for organization to fulfill their social responsibility. I see this initiative as an opportunity or a stage where the two different classes of society interact, and I see this initiative as an opportunity for individuals like professors like me or students, our students, to show their commitment in building the society. But what will happen to these boys? So we expect that with this type of initiative, some of them, and we'll be very happy if all of them get into class 10 through National Open School, and we are in touch with the National Open School local management, and we are expecting that some of them will qualify, will give the exam under National Open School. But I know that this is a small contribution to this larger world, but howsoever small, it's actually giving me an enormous amount of satisfaction in being as a teacher. I actually getting huge satisfaction when I come to the class, when I see these mess boys come to the class, and I also am extremely happy that our students becoming teachers in the classroom. But every minute of my interaction with my students who are the mentors and with our mess boys, it is quite satisfactory. I'm enjoying every minute of that. Thank you.